Ever wondered what makes Brussels, the capital of Belgium, so special? A cultural crossroads at the heart of Europe, Brussels is a city bursting with life. It's where Gothic grandeur meets modern artistry, where every street whispers tales of history, and where culinary delights are a part of everyday life. From the stunning Grand Place, the city's central square that's a feast for the eyes, to the Atomium, a futuristic spectacle that offers panoramic views of the city. And who could forget the irreverent Manneken Pis, or the opulent Royal Palace of Brussels? There's the awe-inspiring Saint-Michel Cathedral, the unique Musical Instruments Museum, and the serene Parc du Cinquantenaire. Not to mention the treasure trove that is the Royal Museums of Fine Arts of Belgium and the Belgian Comic Strip Center, a testament to the country's rich comic heritage. Join us as we unveil the marvels of Brussels, a city where every corner tells a story of innovation and indulgence. First stop, the Grand Place, the vibrant heart of Brussels. This is not just any square, it's a masterpiece of Gothic and Baroque architecture, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and often considered one of the most beautiful squares in the world. Majestic isn't just an adjective, it's an experience here. The Grand Place is encircled by ornate guild halls, each with its own story, its own history. In the midst of these stands the Grand Town Hall, a testament to the city's medieval past. The square is also the stage for the famous flower carpet event, a biennial extravaganza where the entire square is covered in a vibrant carpet of begonias, creating an awe-inspiring spectacle of colors and scents. Whether it's the intricate details of the facades, the bustling cafes, or the vibrancy of the flower carpet event, the Grand Place is a symphony of sights, sounds, and experiences. The Grand Place, a testament to Brussels' rich history and artistic flair. Next, we venture to the Atomium, a symbol of Brussels' innovative spirit. This striking structure, rising high above the city, is a representation of an iron crystal. But this is no ordinary depiction. It's magnified 165 billion times its original size, a testament to the daring and ambition of its creators. The Atomium is more than just an architectural marvel. It's a celebration of human curiosity and scientific discovery. Each of its 9 spheres offers a unique perspective of the city, making it a must-visit for panoramic views of Brussels. Inside, the Atomium is a labyrinth of tunnels and exhibitions, each sphere housing a different aspect of scientific and cultural exploration. This fusion of science and art is what makes the Atomium a symbol of the city's innovative spirit, a beacon of Brussels' commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The Atomium, where science meets art in the most spectacular way. Let's now explore the whimsical side of Brussels with the Manneken Pis. This pint-sized statue, standing at just 2 feet tall, has become one of the city's most beloved symbols. Crafted from bronze, it depicts a little boy unabashedly answering nature's call, right in the heart of the city. The Manneken Pis, or Little Pea-Man in the local dialect, isn't just a quirky spectacle. It's a symbol of the city's irreverent spirit, its ability to laugh at itself, and its resilience in the face of adversity. Over the years, he's been kidnapped, dressed up, and even used as a political statement, but he always returns, a testament to the unyielding spirit of Brussels. Perhaps the most charming tradition associated with this eccentric statue is the dressing up. Every week, the Manneken Pis dons a new costume, ranging from national outfits to sports uniforms, reflecting the city's vibrant cultural tapestry. The Manneken Pis, a small statue with a big personality, truly embodies the irreverent spirit of Brussels. Our journey continues to the Royal Palace, the epitome of elegance and grandeur. Situated at the heart of Brussels, this majestic structure stands as a testament to Belgium's rich royal legacy. Its grand facade, adorned with Corinthian columns and intricate motifs, radiates a sense of awe-inspiring beauty. Inside, the palace is a treasure trove of art and history, boasting opulent rooms filled with stunning frescoes, gilded moldings, and priceless artifacts. The palace's verdant gardens, a tapestry of vibrant flowers and manicured lawns, offer a tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle of the city. Every summer, the palace throws open its doors to the public, providing an opportunity for an intimate glimpse into the lives of Belgian royalty. From the sumptuous throne room to the lavish mirror room adorned with 1,000,000 beetle shells, each corner of the palace tells a captivating tale. The Royal Palace, a splendid showcase of Belgium's royal heritage. Next, we head to the Saint-Michel Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. This grand structure stands as a beacon of faith and artistry in the heart of Brussels. Its intricate design speaks volumes about the city's rich architectural prowess. The cathedral's iconic tower, a sight to behold, pierces the sky with its towering spire, a symbol of strength and resilience. The details carved into the stone are a testament to the meticulous craftsmanship of the artisans of old, whose work still inspires awe today. As we step inside, the cathedral's beauty is further amplified by the glowing stained glass windows. These masterpieces of light and color paint a vibrant tapestry of biblical narratives, bathing the interior in a kaleidoscope of hues. Each pane tells a story, a silent sermon in glass and light. The Saint-Michel Cathedral, a testament to Brussels' religious and architectural history. It's a place where the past and present converge, creating a timeless spectacle of faith, art, and heritage. Let's now immerse ourselves in the world of music at the Musical Instruments Museum. Housed in the former Old England department store, this architectural marvel is home to a symphony of unique and historic instruments. Each of its over 8,000 pieces tells a story of cultural expression, from the soulful tones of African drums to the delicate whispers of the Japanese koto. Here one can witness the evolution of music across eras and continents. The collection showcases the intricate craftsmanship of the Renaissance, the innovative designs of the Industrial Revolution, and the cutting-edge technology of the 21st century. Not only are these instruments visual masterpieces, but they also echo the melodies of their time, providing a sensory journey through the history of music. Interactive audio guides allow visitors to hear these instruments come to life, each note a testament to the universal language of music. The Musical Instruments Museum, where history and harmony come together. Our next stop is the Cinquantenaire Parc, a haven of peace and beauty in the heart of Brussels. This vast green space, established in the late 19th century, is a testament to Belgium's rich history and architectural prowess. Dominating the park's landscape are the monumental arches, triumphantly reaching towards the sky, a symbol of national pride and a beacon of Brussels' architectural grandeur. Nestled amidst the park's lush greenery are a collection of museums, each one a treasure trove of knowledge and culture. From the Royal Art and History Museum, brimming with artifacts from across the globe, to Auto World, a testament to the evolution of the automobile, these museums cater to a wide array of interests. But the Cinquantenaire Parc is not just about monuments and museums. It's also about leisurely strolls under the sprawling tree canopies, picnics on the manicured lawns, and moments of tranquility amidst the city's hustle and bustle. The Cinquantenaire Parc, the perfect spot for a leisurely stroll or a picnic. Our journey wouldn't be complete without a visit to the Royal Museums of Fine Arts. This impressive complex of art museums is a beacon of culture in the heart of Brussels. It's home to an extensive collection of Flemish, Belgian, and European artworks, making it a must-see for any art enthusiast. Here you can immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of artistic heritage, from the Renaissance to the present day. The masterpieces of renowned artists like Peter Paul Rubens and Pieter Bruegel come to life, each painting telling a unique story. The museum complex consists of several distinct sections, including the Old Masters Museum, the Modern Museum, the Wiertz Museum, and the Monnier Museum. Each offers a unique exploration into different eras and styles of art. It's an artistic journey through time, a visual feast for the senses. The Royal Museums of Fine Arts, a treasure trove for art lovers. As our journey comes to an end, we hope you've enjoyed discovering the wonders of Brussels. This city, bursting with cultural treasures, artistic marvels, and culinary delights, truly has something for everyone. From the vibrant Grand Place, adorned with ornate guild halls, to the iconic Atomium, a symbol of the city's innovative spirit. The irreverent Manneken Pis, the grandeur of the Royal Palace, and the Gothic magnificence of Saint-Michel Cathedral all contribute to the city's rich tapestry. Museums like the unique Musical Instruments Museum and the extensive Royal Museums of Fine Arts offer a deep dive into the world of art and music. And who could forget the leisurely strolls in the scenic Parc du Cinquantenaire, or the indulgence in delicious waffles and chocolate? Each corner of Brussels tells its own story, a blend of history, innovation, and indulgence. So, when are you planning your journey to discover the wonders of Brussels, the heart of Europe?